How's it going, guys? I want to say welcome to the channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded. Um, I'm gonna touch on everything in a series of videos, to speed things up to show you pretty much what's gonna take place. A lot of people ask me, am I still in CTFO? Does it pay? Does it work? And my answer for that is yes, I am in CTFO. Obviously, I haven't been promoting it super hard. One of the reasons is that's what happens when you capitalize on YouTube. I have videos that do the selling for me, day in, day out. I don't really have to get on here a lot, which is good. CTFO has opened up many more products since the last time I've been on here. People ranking up on a daily basis. You've seen my results, you've seen my pay, and I pretty much just want to touch on a little, I should say more your future at CTFO and what to expect. I tell everybody when joining, companies with tangible products, whether it's weight loss, makeups, it really doesn't matter. Expect small commissions up front, but hopefully, like CTFO, that company has a team building structure so you can get paid on your team. How these companies work, the money, the revenue, doesn't really come from referrals. Like I don't get paid just for you becoming a referral. I get paid on product purchases. These companies thrive. This is how they stay in business. They thrive on products being sold. So for the good thing about CTFO is, like I said, you get paid on your team. So if you didn't get paid on your team, obviously it'd be very hard, especially if you have a product that's, 50-50 on do people really need it, to sell a high, a high demand of products, within that week, every single week. Because, most of these companies are not really residual, these product-based companies. So it's like people have to buy, that product over and over within that time frame. CTFO pays weekly. So you may think like, man, how am I going to capitalize? I'm going to have to make a lot of new sales to capitalize on weekly, weekly income, if you look at it on a weekly standpoint versus a monthly standpoint, because obviously, within 30 days, it will make sense for someone to renew. So, my outlook on it, if you really want to capitalize and make a lot of money with CTFO, would be yes, to try to bring in a nice amount of people in weekly. But like I said, the great thing is to teach your team to do the same thing. So if they're bringing in new people weekly, you're getting also paid percentages off of that, and levels down. Like I tell people, like I said already, this is a slow builder. So you're gonna want to have it. Eventually, how it's gonna be set up is, as the weeks go, you're obviously making upfront commissions from all these new sales coming in. But when everyone goes to, if you keep a nice healthy team, when everyone goes to renew, usually it's going to be a lot of people renewing around the same time. If you keep people coming in on a consistent basis, you're going to have big payments coming in, every week, or at least more frequently at the end of the week, depending on how everything goes. So like I said, this is a slow build. A lot of people come in, they get inactive. I have a team over 200 members, and most of them, not more, I shouldn't say most of them, but a nice amount of them may be inactive. So the biggest thing about this is coming in and keeping the team healthy, keeping it going, and if you really want to take this specific company serious, not doing something like I might have did, when inactive, you want to stay moving. I have my thing, my eggs in different baskets, so this isn't the only company I promote. This is kind of a part-time thing for me. I like the product. It's very useful. It actually, it really helped me out. The CBD oil really helped me out. Just gave me more energy. And like I said, you can check out my previous videos. It really helped me out on a different type of level. So that's why I pretty much bought in. It so happened that you can make some money with it, and I did pretty well with that. But I just pretty much got in, for the product. And that's another thing, you want to get in and really, like, if you sign up for this, really believe in the product. Anything you sign up for, really believe in the product, and buy the product, try the product. And that's how money goes around. People really get involved with this company because they believe in the product. They're going to buy the product and they're going to try the product. If everyone goes by that same model, money will keep coming. You will make money. And it's kind of to me, it's kind of a more simpler thing to sell, versus, other tangible things. Because this specific product is really making, it's really paving the way in the industry on helping people, with health issues and just overall optimum health, period. But yes, like I said, I've been dabbling in different things. I do music and other things on the side. So I've been real busy, balancing other YouTube channels. But I promise you this time, I will not be going anywhere anytime soon. I'm going to upload consistently, even if I'm plugging in the same information, telling you the same things. I want to make sure I get everything stuck in your head so you can teach it, to your team. And maybe my next video, I might upload it right after this. I have a big announcement coming with my other company, which is actually a tool that's going to help you promote anything, whether it's CTFO, anything you're already in, on a whole nother level. There's been some updates coming up in the next month that I want to talk about, so you're going to want to stay tuned. But thank you, for everyone who's made it to this video. Thank you for the 400 subscribers. This channel actually has been growing, pretty quick, despite, my lack of activity. I want to thank you for everyone who subscribed. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you're new to the channel and maybe this isn't for you right now. Subscribe. That's what I tell everybody. And you never know what might come across this channel. But like I said, I want to thanks for the 400 subscribers. Hope to see this channel keep growing. And have a good day.